student, welcome back to our computer class. So we are going to see chapter number 8 Tux Paint Introduction part 2. So we already learned about new tools, using toolbars. We have already learned about the new tools. Now the next tool we are going to see. So the next tool is our paint tool. So paint tool is used to draw a shape of your choice. Okay, it is used to draw a shape of your choice. For that you have to click on paint tool from the toolbar. Different brushes will appear in the selector. Okay, so in the selector you will get the different brushes. So click on the brush pattern of your choice. You have to choose the brush from that. Okay, you can click on the down arrow also, okay, which is in a pink color. Okay, so you can also click on the down arrow of the selector to see more brush pattern. After that you have to click on any color from the color palette. So you have to choose any color from the color palette. Okay, after that the next you have to do is now drag. Okay, drag the mouse to make the drawing. You have to drag the mouse to make the drawing. So you will see the pattern drawn. Now release the mouse when finished. Okay, so have you seen here in the picture it is showing? Okay, in the tool there is a paint. Okay, first you have to click on paint. After that, while clicking on a paint, brushes. So in selector there is a brushes. So any shape you can take from brushes. Okay, here I have taken the triangle, and from color palette you can choose any color. So I have choose the color red. So in the next picture you can see that how it will be appear. Okay, how we have draw this picture. Okay, getting what is the use of tool, paint tool? Yes. Okay, now we are going to see the paint tool. Can you see in the tool? Okay, in the tool there is a paint brush. First tool you can see paint. Okay, that blue color is selected. Okay, so you have to click on the paint. Okay, just click on the paint. Click on the paint tool from toolbar and select the brushes. So here we will select from the selector we will select the brushes. So we will select the triangle. Okay, so click on the brushes pattern of your choice from the selector. So here we will see this triangle one. Okay, we will click on this, or otherwise you want any other, you can just click down. Okay, here blue arrow is there, you can click down arrow of the selector to see the more brush pattern. So like this, all this pattern you can see, but we will take a triangle one. Okay, so we'll select this. Click on any color from the color palette. After selecting this, click on any color palettes. From here color is given, so we will click on the color palette and we will select the red color, and now drag. Now see where you will drag. Okay, see it will occur. So now drag the mouse to make the drawing. Okay, you will see the pattern draw. Now release the mouse. It will not. When you release the mouse when finished. Okay, so when you want to stop any pattern, you have to release the mouse. Otherwise, see how it will look like. See, I have not released the mouse. It will show the pattern. Okay, that triangle we have used. Like this it will work. Got it? Yes. Now release. Getting? So like this pattern we can make with the help of this paint tool. We also make a different pattern also like this. Okay, see here, like this also we can do. See how it will occur? Yes, like this also it will occur. Got it? How this pen tool is used? Yes. Okay, now the next is shapes tool. So shapes tool is used to draw different filled or unfilled shapes like circle, square, etc. So with the help of these shape tools you can draw the different shapes. Okay, so that is a filled circle, square, rectangle, triangle like this, or unfilled circle, square. All this you can draw with the help of shape tool. For that again you have to click on in the toolbar there is a shape. Okay, click on shape. Okay, when you click on the shape, different shape appears in selector. Okay, in selector, then you have to click on any desired shape from the selector. Okay, then after clicking on the shape, you have to click on any color from the color palette. Okay, after that you have to now on the canvas drag the mouse to make the shape. Okay, you have to drag the mouse to make the shape. Okay, you will see the shape drawn. So release the mouse when it finish. Okay, now see in the image. Okay, so from the toolbar we have select the shape. As we select the shape, okay, shapes will appear in the selectors. So see second one. Okay, we have select a filled circle from that. Okay, we have select the filled circle, and the third one we have select the colors. Okay, so third one, see third the select, we select the color blue. Okay, and in the next image you can see that blue circle, filled circle. Okay, it is a filled. Okay, so filled circle in blue color will appear. You can also change the color. Okay, you can also change the color from the color palettes. Okay, and you can also see that there is also a red circle, filled red circle. So like this you can draw the shapes, whether it is filled or unfilled, you can draw it. Okay, got it? What is the use of shapes tool? To draw the different shapes. Getting? Okay. Now the next we are going to see the shapes tool. Okay, for that you have to click on a shape. Okay, so see in the tools, shape tool is used to draw different filled and unfilled shape like circle, square, etc. So here only in the tool, can you see in the tool there is a shape. So click on the shapes. When you click on the shape, see there is square is there, filled, unfilled square, filled square, unfilled rectangle, filled rectangle. Okay, unfilled circle, filled circle. Okay, unfilled triangle, filled triangle, unfilled ellipse, filled ellipse. Okay, so you can take any shape. So click on the shape tool from the toolbar, different shape appear in selector, then you can, yes, you can take any shape from that selector. Okay, if you want to see more, you can see the different patterns here. Okay, again, then suppose we are taking a circle. Okay, filled circle, then you have to take which color pattern you want. Okay, so first we will see circle, color pattern is this. Okay, now drag on the, now on the canvas drag the mouse to make a shape. Now see here, can you see? Yes, so you will see the shape draw. Okay, while when we release the mouse, now we will see the different shape like this. Okay, click here. Now see. Okay, I have not clicked the filled. Okay, that's why it is unfilled, so it will look like this. Now I will take a filled. Now see, filled it will occur like this, unfilled it will occur like this. Okay, circle, unfilled circle, it will look like this. Okay, so like this our shape tool will work. By using this step we can draw different shape as shown. I have shown you in this Tux Paint drawing. Yes, got it? Okay. Now the next is eraser tool. Okay, so for example, if you are writing in your notebook, okay, so while writing, okay, you write a wrong spelling, okay, or wrong word, what you will use? You will use eraser to rub that word. Okay, the same way in Tux Paint is also there is a eraser tools. Okay, so with the help of this eraser tool you can erase any part of a drawing. Okay, so eraser tool is used to erase any part of a drawing. Okay, for that you have to click on the eraser tool in a toolbar. Okay, in the toolbar there is a eraser, you have to click on that. Okay, when you click on the eraser, the different shape of size of eraser appear in selectors. Okay, and you can click on any desired shape from the selector. Drag the mouse on that part of your drawing which you want to erase. Now see in the picture, in the toolbar there is a eraser. Okay, so we indicate it with a 1. Okay, so it is a eraser. So when you select the eraser on the right hand side, okay, eraser will appear there. Okay, eraser shapes, different shapes selector will appear there. So you can take any shape of the eraser, whether it is a circle, square, big circle, big square. Okay, you can take any shape of eraser, and you have to drag that eraser where you want to erase the part of that drawing. Okay, so drag the mouse on that part of your drawing which you want to erase. Okay, which part of your drawing you want to erase, you can drag your mouse there and erase that much part of your drawing. Getting what is the use of eraser tool? To erase any part of your drawing. Okay, got it? Okay. Now the next is, we already done all this picture. Okay, now I want to erase this, all these things. Okay, so what we will do, I will click on eraser. Okay, I will click on eraser tool. So it is used to eraser any part of a drawing. So for that you have to click on it again. You have to, in the tools toolbar, there is a tool, eraser tool is there. Okay, just click on eraser tool. It will become a blue in color. When you click any tool, it will convert into blue in color. Okay, so now with the help of this eraser, now see, can you see the square? It will appear. So with the help of that, now I am going to erase all these things, erase all the pictures. Okay, all the drawings. Now here eraser is, again when I click on the eraser tool, see, the selector will change, appear. Okay, it will change, the selector will change. So this we have taken. Okay, so now we will erase all these things by dragging it. You can see, can you hear the voice also? Yes, it means we are erasing the drawing. So we will erase the drawing. Okay, so with this, like this, we can erase the drawing. Okay, so drag the mouse on the part of your drawing which you want to erase. So which part you want to erase, just drag your mouse there and erase the things. Got it? Yes, how to erase the drawing? Yes, okay. Now the next is line tool. So line tool is used to draw a straight line. Okay, it is used to draw a straight line. So again you have to click on the line tool in toolbar. Okay, after that different brushes will appear in selector. You can click arrows to see more brushes. Click on the desired brush. Click on any color from the color palette. Okay, and press a left mouse button and drag to make a line. So in the picture you can see in the tools there is a lines. Okay, it is indicated with 1. Okay, so after clicking on the lines, okay, on the right hand side brushes will appear. Okay, so you can choose any brush, okay, which you want. Okay, so you can choose any brushes from there. After that you can choose the colors from color palette and you can draw the lines. Okay, by dragging the left mouse button you can draw a line on the canvas. Getting? Yes, what is the use of line tool? To draw a straight line on the drawing canvas. Getting? Okay. Now the next is, we are going to see the line tool. So lines tool is used to draw a straight line. It is used to draw a straight line. So in the tool you can see there is a lines are there. Okay, lines. So click on here. Again it will get selected. Okay, it will become a blue in color. Okay, so click on line tool and different brushes are there. So different brushes are there. Okay, appear on the selector. As you come, there is also up and down arrows are there. Okay, like this also you can select. Click on the desired brush and click on any color from the color palette and press the left mouse button and drag to make a line. Okay, now suppose we are going to take this. Okay, this I am going to take. Okay, and I am going to take a color red one. Okay, now here we will drag. Okay, see, like this it will come. Okay, if now I am going to take a this. Okay, so it will, the line will appear straight and it will appear in a that pattern. See, it will become a straight line. See, like this it will appear. Okay, now I will change the color. The another I will do. See, like this it will appear. Okay, any other you want you can change. Now I will take the green color. See, like this it will draw. Okay, so like this it will work. See, now I will change the pattern. Okay, I will change the pattern this, and color is this. No, this I will check. Now see how it will look like. See, like this it will work. Got it? Yes. So like this our line tools will work. It is used to draw a straight line. Got it all of this? Yes. Okay. So in this class we have learned about the pen tool, shape tool, erase tool and line tool. Now in the next class we are going to learn more about the tools are used in the Tux pen. Till then you have to revise whatever I have taught you. Till then take care and thank you.